Coming to the stage now is a decorated combat veteran. He wants to stop our forever wars. Do you want to stop our forever wars? Please welcome the CEO of our country, our choice, Colonel Douglas Macgregor.
You get a job with the World Wrestling Federation. Wait a minute. Hey, this guy, Rob Schneider, is a real animal. If you haven't noticed, he is. Okay, I only have a short message for you. As you and I are meeting here today, thousands and thousands of soldiers from the regular army and the National Guard are deploying to the Middle East. They're preparing to fight a war against Iran, a country which has never attacked us, with whom we have no grief, no grievance. At the same time, we have 100,000+ American soldiers lining the border of Poland, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, all the way down to Romania, preparing to potentially fight Russia. This insanity is costing us not just trillions of dollars, it's destroying our country. How many trillions have we lost on this proposition? How many hospitals could we have built? How many schools could we have improved? How many roads and bridges could we have repaired? And how many Americans would be alive and well and safe today if we hadn't? So what I want you to remember is a very simple formula. War breeds tyranny, corruption, and destruction. Peace is the foundation for prosperity and goodwill around the world. That's what we need. No more wars. Now, before you leave here, remember, you got to go out and vote. And you need to vote for peace, not war, for prosperity, not poverty. Remember, the people that have put us into debt, they're not the ones who bear the burden. We are. The people that have put us into debt are fat and rich and corrupt. We got to get rid of them. You've got to do that. Thank you.
Thank you, Colonel Macgregor. Thank you for your service.